Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see job portal MERN web application. First, let's see how to start the project. So first open the jam control panel. Hi, today we are going to see job portal. Hi, today we are going to see demo for job portal MERN web application. So let's see how to start the project. First go to the MongoDB, click the connect. Left side you can able to see your database name. Drop down the database. It's our all DB names and it's our backend database details. Let's go to the Visual Studio. First explore your project folder. Then it's our SRC folder. SRC folder have your backend and the client server folders and DB details. Then DB text files. First go to the backend data folder. Backend folder have your modules and routers. Then go to the client folder. Click the SRC folder. Then it's our components. Component folder have here React.js component files. Next go to the readme text file. Here you can see the how to start the project in step-by-step procedure and login credentials. First open the terminal. Then set the path. Enter the CD backend. Then install the node modules. Enter the command npm install. I have already installed, so I go to the next step. Enter the CD start, npm start. Now backend terminal is connected. Next click the plus button. Then add the client path, cd client. Then enter the command npm runday. Now client server also connected. Then you can see the URL link. Then copy the URL. Then paste to the browser. So this is your project homepage. It's have three roles: admin, user, and employer. First go to the register. Here you can register the user and employer profile. First select the role. Then enter the username and email ID. Then give your password. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Then enter your 10-digit mobile number and give your city. Once you fill the field names, click the sign up button. Already you have registered, go to the login. Here you can log in your profile. So enter the email ID and password, then select the role. First log in the employer. So now login successfully. This is the employer homepage. Employer will be manage the skills and post the job details and view the user applications. First go to the manage skills. Here you can add the skills details, and if you want to edit or delete you can do it here. Then go to the post job. Here you can add the job details. So enter the company name and job titles and give the descriptions and requirements. Then select the skill set and select the degree. Then select the work experience. Then fill the all field names. Then select the interview type, offline or online. Once you fill the field name, click the submit button. Next go to the update job. Here you can see your post job details and then you can search to any field. It will be filtered. Then if you want to edit or delete, you can click the edit button and edit the details, then submit the button. Next, if you want to update your location, click the geo map. Now your current location will be updated successfully. Then if you want to see your location, go to the show map. You can see the location. Then this job application you can view. Click the view application. Here you can see this job related application details. Then if you want to check the CV and update status, click the button. Then you can download the CV and then update the status, click the button. Then you can update the status. You can confirm the or shortlist. Any status you can choose and click the submit button. Now submit successfully. Next go to the view applications. Here you can see the all job related application details. Then if you want to export the data, click the export button. It will be downloaded. Then you can search any field. It can there are filtered. Here also you can see the download CV and update the status. Next go to the my profile. My profile is used to edit your contact details. So this is the employer homepage. Next we will go to the admin module. Enter the admin email ID and password. Then log in into the admin homepage. Then select the role. Then click the login button. So this is the admin homepage. Admin will be approve the employer and view the user details. First go to the view employee detail for approval. Here you can see the all employer contact details. Then here you can approve the detail, approve the employer profile. After you approve the employer, then uh, employer can log in our profile details. Like you can see the employee email ID and profile. Its status will be pending. It cannot log in because admin not give the approval status. So go to the admin homepage. Now give the approval check approval. Now log in the employee email ID and password. Now login successfully. So this is the admin work. Next go to the view user details. Here you can see the all user details. Then go to the view all job details. You can see the all job details and you can see the more info. Click the button. Here you can see the job details and you can see the locations. Click the show map. It will promote you to the Google map. Then you can see the job location. Then if you want to export the data, click the export button. So this is the admin homepage. Next we will move for the user. Enter the user email ID and password. Then select the role. So this is the user homepage. User will be manage your skill set and search job and apply the jobs and manage the profile. First go to the manage skill set. Here you can add your skill set details. So enter the skills and click the submit button. It will be created. Then you can manage the skill set details. If you want to edit, click the edit button. Then you can edit the skill set. Once you fill the skill set names, then click the submit button. Now it updated. And then if you want to delete, click the delete button. Next go to the search jobs. Here you can see the all job details. Then you can filter the data in skill wise and then filter by city wise. It will be filtered. Then you can select your degree wise. You can filter the data. Then you can filter the data in job title wise. Then if you want to apply the job, click the apply button. Here you can send your request details, enter the name and address, give a CV and mobile number. Once you fill the field click the submit button. Then if you want to see the job location, click the show map. Here you can see the job location. Next go to the my job application. Here you can see your request details. Then if you want to search any field, it will be filtered. Then here you can see your job status. Job status is shortlist. And if you want to download the CV, click the download. It will be downloaded. Next go to the my skill set recommendation. Here you can see your skill set related job details. Here also you can apply and see the job locations. Next go to the my profile. My profile is used to update your contact details. So this is the user role. So this is the job portal MERN web application.
Code shopping.